How to clear your DP dues with Sharekhan. Click on the link sent as SMS, email, WhatsApp for easy and safe payment. Clicking on the link will redirect you to our payment page. Next, select the option to make a payment. Sharekhan typically provides various payment options. For this video, let's take UPI as our preferred mode of payment. Select the preferred UPI option and click on Pay Now. You will now be redirected to the selected UPI platform. Enter your UPI PIN and complete the payment. Once the payment is successful, you will receive the confirmation on your device. In just a few clicks, you can clear your DP dues with Sharekhan. Happy investing!
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.